I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. In this video, we will learn the limiting reagent concept and solve 5 numerical examples. The limiting reagent is the reactant that runs out first and stops the reaction. The excess reagent is left over. We find the limiting reagent by converting grams to moles, dividing by coefficients, and choosing the smaller result. Example 1. Synthesis of ammonia. The balanced equation is nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen makes 2 ammonia. We are given 56 grams of nitrogen and 10 grams of hydrogen. Convert to moles. Nitrogen. 56 over 28 gives 2 moles. Hydrogen. 10 over 2 gives 5 moles. Divide by coefficients. Nitrogen. 2 over 1 equals 2. Hydrogen. 5 over 3 equals 1.67. The smaller value is hydrogen, so hydrogen is the limiting reagent. Example 2. Combustion of methane. The equation is methane plus 2 oxygen makes carbon dioxide plus 2 water. Given 32 grams of methane and 64 grams of oxygen. Convert to moles. Methane. 32 over 16 is 2 moles. Oxygen. 64 over 32 is 2 moles. Divide by coefficients. Methane. 2 over 1 equals 2. Oxygen. 2 over 2 equals 1. The smaller value is oxygen, so oxygen is the limiting reagent. Example 3. Formation of aluminum oxide. The equation is 4 aluminum plus 3 oxygen makes 2 aluminum oxide. Given 5.4 grams of aluminum and 9.6 grams of oxygen. Convert to moles. Aluminum. 5.4 over 27 is 0.2 moles. Oxygen. 9.6 over 32 is 0.3 moles. Divide by coefficients. Aluminum. 0.2 over 4 equals 0.05. Oxygen. 0.3 over 3 equals 0.1. The smaller value is aluminum, so aluminum is the limiting reagent. Example 4. Phosphorus pentoxide production. The equation is phosphorus 4 plus 5 oxygen makes phosphorus 4 oxygen 10. Given 12.4 grams of phosphorus 4 and 20 grams of oxygen. Convert to moles. Phosphorus 4. 12.4 over 124 is 0.1 moles. Oxygen. 20 over 32 is 0.625 moles. Divide by coefficients. Phosphorus 4. 0.1 over 1 equals 0.1. Oxygen. 0.625 over 5 equals 0.125. The smaller value is phosphorus 4, so phosphorus 4 is the limiting reagent. Example 5. Iron and sulfur reaction. The equation is iron plus sulfur makes iron sulfide. Given 11.2 grams of iron and 10 grams of sulfur. Convert to moles. Iron. 11.2 over 56 is 0.2 moles. Sulfur. 10 over 32 is 0.3125 moles. Divide by coefficients. Iron. 0.2 over 1 equals 0.2. Sulfur. 0.3125 over 1 equals 0.3125. The smaller value is iron, so iron is the limiting reagent and sulfur is excess. Summary. Convert to moles, divide by coefficients, and choose the smaller value. That reactant is the limiting reagent. Thank you for learning with Brain League Learning.